Are you looking to add a touch of elegance and warmth to your home? Look no further. Positive Wood Floors is your go-to destination for professional hardwood floor installation, sanding, and finishing services. With an impressive selection of high-quality hardwood flooring materials, we offer a wide range of styles to match any interior design. Our expert installation team has years of experience and uses state-of-the-art equipment to guarantee a flawless installation. We take pride in our precision and attention to detail, ensuring your hardwood floors are installed with perfection. We offer free estimates for all our services. Contact us today.